Enterprise Journals is an EPM platform tool used for the preparation, approval, and posting of manual journal entries to the general ledger postings for both Oracle and non-Oracle ERP systems. Enterprise Journals provides a streamlined, centralized way to manage manual journal entries across the Oracle EPM Cloud platform. The Enterprise Journals process assists preparers in getting journals ready for posting by offering features such as required fields, validation, commentary and supporting documentation, and so forth. Journals also follow an approval workflow and provide an audit trail. Enterprise Journals addresses the challenge of managing journal entries across multiple business processes in Oracle Cloud EPM. For example, account reconciliation, financial consolidation and close, tax reporting, profitability and cost management all require journals to be posted to the general ledger. Organizations across the enterprise typically use multiple Excel spreadsheets and templates to manually post journal entries to general ledgers. Additionally, the general ledgers may reside in multiple disparate ERP systems. Enterprise Journals addresses these challenges by automating the manual journal entry collection and posting process and centrally managing the process across multiple business processes and potentially multiple ERP systems. Enterprise Journals provides these key capabilities: a single point of entry for all manual journals, standardized journal entry templates based on the journal types and general ledger systems, the ability to have journal entries validated for required fields, matching balances, and proper journal format to ensure they will be posted successfully after acquiring the required approvals. Visibility of unposted and in-process journals by comprehensive dashboards for ad hoc analysis on the status of journals. Security roles determine access and assign tasks. Administrators enable enterprise journals in the application, configure journal periods, identify targets and create connections, create journal templates, create the recurring journals, deploy the enterprise journal templates to an open journal collection period, and use dashboards and reports to view and monitor the progress of journals. Preparers prepare and submit journals for approval after including all required header and line item details. They may also attach supporting documentation and answer mandatory questions if applicable. Approvers may approve or reject the submitted journals from the preparer. Once approved, the journal is automatically sent for posting. Note, you can configure the system to enforce preparation only, with no approval required, if that is applicable for your process. Internal or external auditors can be given view-only access to review specific completed journals. The Enterprise Journals posting process is based on the workflow process and defined targets. If the target ERP system is Oracle Cloud Financials, Enterprise Journals uses a pre-built direct connector to post to the general ledger. Additionally, you can use a set of provided APIs for direct posting to other ERPs. Lastly, a file-based journal posting option is also available if required. Users can access Enterprise Journals via the Enterprise Journals card on the home page. The Journals list provides a central place to manage all journals. If you are an administrator, you can see all the available journals in the system and the assigned users. If you are a user other than an administrator, you can see all journals active for your role that need your attention. Administrators can publish preferred list views, or users can create and save their own lists. Select columns, sort order, and filtering to set up your preferred list. Administrators create the Enterprise Journals templates, which determine the target where journals are posted and the journal layout. The Journals list displays the journal name and journal ID, workflow status, preparers and approvers, and so forth. Journal names should be descriptive to indicate the journal's purpose. Journal ID is a unique identifier for every journal in Enterprise Journals for a year and period. When the journal is posted to the General Ledger, this unique ID is posted with it. This provides the ability to track the journal both within Cloud EPM and in the General Ledger in the target ERP. When administrators deploy Enterprise Journal templates, they create recurring journals associated with the template for the selected period. Administrators can also specify whether the template can be used for creating ad hoc journals, and then select the users who are allowed to create them. Users with permission to create ad hoc journals can click the Create Ad Hoc Journal button to create them. The journal status indicates the current state of the journal workflow. The status of a journal changes when you create, submit, approve, or post the journal. Post message includes the unique journal ID, a unique doc number that the system assigns to identify the posted journal in the ERP, and any messages related to the posting. Select the journal name to view the journal details. The journal template defines the journal layout. You can import or manually enter data, review instructions, respond to questions, add comments and supporting attachments, and then validate and submit the journal. Alternatively, preparers and approvers can view and work on their enterprise journals in Microsoft Excel using the SmartView extension. All core actions are available directly in Excel, including creating or deleting ad hoc journals, adding comments and supporting documentation, approving and rejecting journals, and so forth. This allows users to work on their journals entirely in Excel if desired. The journal's line item list enables you to view the journal data collected for a selected year and period. Administrators access Enterprise Journals administrative tasks via the Enterprise Journals link under Application in the Navigator. The Dimensions page lists all available system dimensions and local dimensions. You use dimensions to guide user data entry in the journals. Administrators can create targets to associate with journal templates. The system provides a seeded target named Cloud Financials. You can choose Other to directly post journals to any other on-premise system. Before you can work with journals, you must define the journal collection period, including the year and start, end, and close dates. When you deploy a journal template, the journal collection period must be open. Journal templates simplify the journal creation process and are useful for recurring journals that administrators need to create for every period. Journal templates help guide users to the proper completion of journal entries. For example, templates include the target the journal will post to, the header and line item attributes that are used, the workflow and recurring journal settings, the questions that users should be prompted to answer, the access auditors should have, and so forth. Administrators can enable the Enterprise Journals module here and use connections to set up targets. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.